If you've been wondering how to become a Whop affiliate, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to find the affiliate area inside Whop, apply for the partner program, join the waitlist, and understand what happens after you're approved. This is a great opportunity if you want to earn commissions by referring new users to Whop, especially if you already have an audience, a community, or a network of people who could benefit from the platform. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when the next guide goes live. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to whop.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the main Whop interface and the sidebar menu on the left-hand side. Now look all the way down to the lower left-hand corner of that sidebar. Under the Resources section, you'll see an option called Affiliates. Click on Affiliates to open the affiliate area. Once you're inside the affiliates dashboard, you may notice a few different tabs or views at the top. The one you want for this process is Refer Businesses. Click on the Refer Businesses tab to switch over to the Business Referral section. This is where Whop handles the partner application process for people who want to promote the platform and earn from referrals. Now that you're in the right section, look for the Apply to Become a Partner button. Click it to start the application process. After you do that, Whop will automatically redirect you to the official Whop Partners page. This is the next step in getting access to the referral and partner features. Take a moment here to review the page and make sure you're continuing through the official Whop flow. On the Whop Partners page, you'll see an option to join Waitlist. Click on Join Waitlist to submit your request. This is the final step to enter the program. Once your request is submitted, you'll be waiting for approval before you gain access to the full partner community and referral tools. After you're accepted, you get more than just an affiliate link. You'll also gain access to a free community filled with top Whop partners, helpful educational resources, and best practices for scaling your referrals. That means you can learn from other people who are already successfully promoting Whop and earning commissions. Here's the most important part to understand. When someone joins Whop through your referral link, and they do not already have an existing Whop account, they will automatically count as your referral. That means your link is tied to them, and you can earn from their activity. Whop also offers lifetime commissions on referred users. So if you share your unique referral link with your audience, your followers, or your network, and they sign up through that link, they become connected to your account. Anytime Whop generates revenue from one of those referred users, you get paid your cut. That's why this can be such a powerful affiliate opportunity if you consistently share your link with the right audience. To get the best results, make sure you're sharing your referral link in places where people are already interested in digital products, online communities, creator tools, or business growth. The more relevant your audience, the better your chances of getting signups that actually convert. And that's it. You now know how to become a Whop affiliate, where to find the affiliates section, how to apply for the partner program, how to join the waitlist, and what to expect once you're approved. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and comment below if you want me to cover more Whop tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.